Hello everybody, welcome to Hardest.pro. Today I'm gonna show you how to empty trash on Google Pixel 8. So basically, if you deleted some files recently and you want to delete them permanently, I'll show you how to do it. So open up your files, click on this button right here in the left top corner, and as you can see here, trash, all items. You can either restore them or delete. So basically, delete 3 files permanently. Yes. And here you can clean your phone, so it will detect duplicates, old screenshots, unused apps, large files, and stuff like that. So basically that's it. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.